Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renu and you are watching Speak and Thrive. So this is day 6 of 7 days English speaking challenge from B1 to C1. And I'm so happy that I'm about to complete this 7 days English speaking challenge. Today is 6th day and I'm so happy that I'm going to complete it. So now in this video I'm going to share with you some amazing 3 to 4 idioms, easy idioms that you can easily use in your daily speaking. Well, recently I learned that, so I thought to share with you guys in this video. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and of course like the video. Now without any delay, let's get started. So today in this video, I have 3 to 4 idioms. Now let's get started with the first one. Well, this is really common. I have used it before, so I thought to share with you. That is under the weather. Under the weather. It means when you are ill, you are sick, you are not well. You can say, I am under the weather. Or you can say, she is under the weather. I feel like under the weather. They are under the weather. Under the weather means when you are unwell, when you are sick. You can use this idiom under the weather. Got it? It is really easy. You can use it, of course. Now let's talk about the next one. Let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. It means reveal the secret. So I can say that do not reveal the secret. So do not let the cat out of the bag. Do not let the cat out of the bag. Do not reveal the secret. So let the cat out of the bag. It is also idiom that you can use to sound more fluent and advanced. Okay, let's talk about the another one that would be piece of cake. So easy. Piece of cake. And other one can be in this when something is easy peasy, like lemon squeezy. It's idiom but it is informal, so you can say piece of cake. It is really easy for me. It is a piece of cake for me. Now let's talk about the another one. Not cup of my tea, not my type, or not my interest. For example, I'm saying this is not my type. This is not cup of my tea. I do not like it, or this is not my type. When you want to say that I really don't like it, you can say that this is not my cup of tea. Got it? When you showing your dislike, when you're showing that you are not interested into that thing at all. Not your cup of tea. Rack your brain. For example, just solve the puzzle. Rack your brain. Like use your brain. You can use your brain, and then you can say rack your brain. So these are some idioms. These are really easy to use. You can easily use in your English speaking skills. I hope you find this video helpful, and this 7 days challenge which I am taking is also helping you somewhere. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.